Welcome to our channel. Today we how to activate Jungle Scout for product research and validation, detailed guide step by step clearly. To activate Jungle Scout for product research and validation, begin by visiting the official Jungle Scout website. Locate the sign up or get started button on the homepage. Click on it to create your account. Fill in the required information, such as your name, email address, and password. Proceed by clicking the Create Account button. Check your email for a confirmation message from Jungle Scout. Open the email and click on the confirmation link to verify your account. Once verified, return to the Jungle Scout website and log in using your credentials. Upon logging in, you will be directed to the Jungle Scout dashboard. Familiarize yourself with the various tools and features available. To start your product research, navigate to the Product Database section. Use the filters to set parameters such as category, sales rank, price, and estimated sales. After applying your filters, browse through the list of products that match your criteria. Select a product that interests you for deeper analysis. Click on the product to view detailed metrics such as demand, competition, and estimated revenue. Utilize the Product Tracker tool to monitor the product's performance over time. If you're satisfied with the product metrics, consider moving forward with a validation strategy. Use the Keyword Scout feature to identify relevant keywords for your product. Analyze search volume and competition for these keywords. This data will help you assess market demand and competition. Next, proceed to the Opportunity Finder to discover untapped niches. Evaluate the suggestions provided based on your target market. Once you've finalized your product choice, leverage the insights for decision-making. Remember to keep revisiting your research as market conditions can change. Utilizing Jungle Scout effectively will enhance your product research and validation process. Your journey towards successful product sourcing begins here. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.